In this video, let us continue to solve problems based on the sine rule. Alright, so here we've got a problem which is like this. In any triangle ABC, prove that a sine of b minus c plus b sine of c minus a plus c sine of a minus b equals 0. So first of all, let us start by writing the sine rule here. And also, let us assume a few things. Let a by sine a equals b by sine b equals c by sine c, b equal to k. Alright. Now let us individually equate them to k and we get a equals k sine a. Well, the reason we are doing this is you can see alphabets a, b and c, right? We need to substitute these and try to narrow down the problem to 0. So that's exactly what we are trying to do. So we've got a equals k sine a and b equals k sine b and c equals k sine c, right? So now just substitute these in this equation. Let's do that now. So substituting it, we get k sine a into sine of b minus c plus b is k sine b, so k sine b times sine of c minus a, and plus c is k sine c, right? So k sine c times sine of a minus b. All right. So now what happens, the next step is, if you remember the results with respect to the sine rule that we did, sine a is nothing but sine of b plus c, right? So sine of b minus c remains, same thing, sine b will become sine of c plus a, and this will remain, sine of c minus a will remain, and then plus sine c will change into a plus b, sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b. So here we have sine of b plus c into sine of b minus c, which can be written as sine square b minus sine square c. So taking out k, we have sine square b minus sine square c plus sine of c plus a, sine of c minus a is sine square c minus sine square a, and plus sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b is sine square a minus sine square b. Well, actually the positive sine square b and the negative sine square b gets cancelled. The negative sine square c and the positive sine square c gets cancelled. And minus sine square a plus sine square a gets cancelled, leaving out just k into 0, which is 0. So here we are at RHS. So not a very complicated sum, I'd say. A pretty straightforward sum if you know the sine rule and the few results that I told you the other day. And then how to start off the problem is most important. Write like this. When you see alphabets A, B, and C, try to substitute. And then, just see where you can do things to kind of narrow it down according to the right hand side that is required. So here it was 0. So this is what had to be done, and we've done that. And that ends this problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on the sine rule.